to apply fertilizer on our spinach or our vegetables, I've noticed that even though I'd used organic manure, the spinach are not as they're slowing down in leaf production, and therefore I just want to give them a small boost of NPK, that is 17 17 17, and some CAN, so that is nitrogen, phosphorus, and some potassium, just to enhance or to boost the leaf production, because we've harvested quite a lot during December holidays. We've sowed quite a lot, and now I'm feeling like the growth is not as fast as it should be, or as I want it. So we are just using a panga in Swahili language, and then applying a teaspoon also per crop or per stem, and this will give the plant some nutrition and will boost the growth, and also boost the growth. So I know we've been discussing about organic farming, and the soil has quite a significant organic manure. But this is just me trying to see if doing some fertilizer application will enhance the leaves, so that we don't harvest small leaves, and which cannot be sold, or which cannot be enough for the family, because we had grown this for our own consumption. If the application will not work for us, we are thinking of uprooting the spinach or selling them off, and then planting something else. But it will not make economic sense for me to leave them there and have small leaves of spinach for a long period of time, because the plot is small and I need a huge production of returns, so that I make some some money or cover some of my expenses. So today we are just doing the fertilizer, and I'm going to tell you what happens after that, after the fertilization. On the comment section, please just let me know, do you apply fertilizers on your farm, or are you purely doing organic farming? What are some of the challenges that you've experienced in organic farm? Or are you happy about just doing 100% of organic, or do you mix organic farming and artificial farming, or the chemical farming part of it? Let me know on the comment section. And yeah, I think we harvested quite a lot, and that's why right now the leaves are too small, because the vegetables are getting enough water. So the water is sufficient. The soil at the top, you can see it has organic manure, so it's not about the watering. But yeah, I would like to know your feedback. Our corn is doing quite well. We're going to harvest this mid-February. It's quite an exciting thing to see just how the corn has grown. Some of them have even 3 cobs or 2 cobs per stem, per maize corn, and this is quite encouraging. And also because of the rains, I think we had enough rains in the season this year. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think. The small plot of that has drip lines, it's doing quite well. The cucumbers are doing quite well. The spinach is okay, though I feel like I need to do another variety, that is Mfalme F1, in the coming when I uproot this. I didn't like the Tausi as much, so we're going to do that. The cucumbers have been well supported, and we've harvested quite a lot of cucumber. There's a video on harvesting cucumber on the playlist, so please get time and watch that also. But in 2024, I think I'll concentrate more on just onions and cabbage farming. So you will not, you may not see all this in the coming episodes or uploading of my videos. I may just, I want to concentrate on what will make us, will give us some good returns. So some of the crops will not be planted in 2024. Thank you so much for joining Movie Farm. If you're a new subscriber, please like and share our videos to your friends. If you're a returning viewer, we thank you so much and we appreciate your support. Keep watching and keep tuning in so that you can learn more about sustainable farming and what we are currently doing at Movie Farm. We thank you and we appreciate you as our viewers, because we wouldn't be doing this if it weren't for you. Um, so keep tuned in. I will show you what is working, what works for us, and what is easy for you to grow as a small farmer or a farmer who is just starting off. And I will still tell you again in 24. Start with what you have. Don't wait. Start now. Grow something. Grow in containers. Grow in sacks. Just grow something this year. That is my message for you. Thank you so much for being here, and we appreciate you. And we will keep showing you what we are doing at Movie Farm. See how nice and green that is? Yes. We are quite excited and we are happy with the progress. And you can also be happy with what you grow. So I hope that I'm giving you some good insights and motivating you to do the right thing.